Hi, welcome back to my channel. Just wanted to take you through the setup I've got. So I use Trade Ideas for data analytics, and I use TradeZero Pro for my actual trading. So the way I'm set up here, I've got two screens. This is screen one. So on the left here, up gappers, volume leaders, gappers, history, down gappers, history of the halt resume. Then here, whichever stock I'm looking at, I've got the daily, 15-minute interval, the 5-minute. This is linked to my TradeZero Pro. So if I look at a particular stock, well, I get the daily, the 15 and the 5. I end up with the 1 and the 5 through Pro Charts on TradeZero. Here I have my tier 2 and order submission, which obviously I have a set of hotkeys set up, different stock volumes, and I liquidate all just to get out in case there's a massive downturn. And then over here I have a alert on breaking out in volume. That's a number of different strategies, but predominantly focused on bullish actions. And then I've got the Extreme Master Blaster down here. This is really about momentum stocks and stocks that are really rocking up quickly. And then the Momo scanner, which is more about momentum stocks. So they could be moving up slowly, it could be moving up fast, but generally if something is got a whole lot of volume and moving up in seconds, these three scanners will all be showing the same symbol, which will draw me to it in my trading chart. Probably hotkey in, hotkey out. This is a good example. FRSX here on Friday, pre-market. I actually caught this about 1.8, took it all the way up. Well, I must have caught it actually about 1.4. Took it all the way up to 2.4. 100 shares for $100 gain. So that was over in seconds, and that was down to pointing out over here an Extreme Blaster, straight over to trade, straight in, straight out, bang to cash. Down here, this is the time and sales. So this is the latest prices going through on whatever this stock is. And these are the tier 2. So you can see the trend on the buying and selling, and you can see the size of the various bids at the various price points in the tier 2. And then finally over here I've got the multi-strategy window. This is running a number of strategies. Try to see if it's going to tell me how many. It's about 15 or 16, maybe 17 now strategies. It's looking for, I initially configured this to look for bearish moves. Bullish moves. Now I've configured it to look for bearish moves as well. You can see some of the red flagged items there. And then here's just a view of the AI interface through Trade Ideas, how it's performing. That gives me a good sense of is it a good day or bad day overall in the market, as well as obviously the key indicators up here, the SPX, the Dow Jones and the Nasdaq, futures pre-market and actual during market, which do give quite a bit of information. So then if we move to screen 2, this is where I have my other key charts. So basically I've got 5-minute and 1-minute charts and level 2 charts with order capability down here across all of these target stocks, which will be the 4 that I'm watching. Well, there'll be 5 that I'll be watching at the open, and I may jump into any one at any time. So I'd be looking to select it over here from the up gappers, and then or the volume leaders, and depending on gappers greater than 4%, depending on where the source was, bring it into my trading straight away, straight into the hotkeys, jump in and jump out if it's a fast moving stock, or if it's not, jump in with a long, stick a range order, around it. So I've got a low stop loss. I've got a stop loss at the low point and a target price at the high point, and just let it play out during the day. Now, if it's a slow one, I'll move it off from here, the main screen, the main trading screen. I'll move it up here so I can just monitor it over the course of the day. And then over here I've got a market watcher of longer term upward trending stocks. So this is really what's been trending up over the last 8 days or more continually, and this gives me a view of longer term investment plays, which is quite key. Down here is my light screen, so this is effectively my watch list. So any changes, lows, highs, volume across that watch list is called out here. This is my price alerts. You can see some are configured. I'm just in the process of refreshing this for the coming week. This is old news, and then you can see here within the portfolio summary, you can see the various trades that I've done, the various activities that I'm engaged in. And then above that you've got the strategy trades. So you've got this is all AI. This is what drives this AI window, which is what you'll see on my daily charts, daily broadcasts. You see my moves as well as the AI moves through this interface, through my second broker. You can see I've been issuing weekly updates, and those weekly updates keep you just informed of progress. So week 1, beginning of December, that was up $1,000, just over. Week 2, end of last week, that was down $108. So net, still up for the month, but still work to do in terms of improving that overall position. Losses predominantly last week were down to trading pre-market, and where you can't have range orders, and you're quite limited on what you can do. You need to be in and out market basis or limit basis, and obviously that just takes time to affect, and therefore if something turns south, you need to be quick, and you're not always the quickest in terms of getting out. So that's one of the problem areas. But this is my setup. Just thought I'd share that with you so you can see how I'm operating on a daily basis, because this doesn't all come through in the daily. But what I intend to do when I get to 5,000 subs is broadcast this on a daily basis, and broadcast me on a daily basis engaged in this trading that I do daily, and really enjoy, and looking forward to sharing, as I have been doing, target stocks with potential, stocks to watch, and developments as and when they happen. So keep tuned, do subscribe, and activate notifications, and if you like this setup, then hit the thumbs up. Look forward to sharing more with you guys, and wish you all the best, and let's have a great week next week trading. That's all for now. Bye, take care.